I'd like to reflect on today's meaning of the gospel. In this part of the world, we do not actually call our government leaders as kings because to us it only belongs to Christ. And I think the meaning of that is it teaches us to be humble. I think that's the message. It's only God or Christ who deserves to be called a king. So Lord, help me to be humble. Help me to realize that I am nothing without you. I trust you, Lord. Thank you so much. Bless us. Happy Sunday.